Hello my lovely kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Math Skills Class 4 by G. Ram Books. So today we are starting chapter 10 Geometry. So very interesting chapter. Let's see. Learning outcomes. इस चैप्टर में हम क्या क्या लर्न करने वाले हैं? Pair of lines, measuring line segments, drawing a line segment of given length, open and close figures, polygons, angle, circle, solid shapes and nets. Okay, now boot up. Dhruv is a member of his school chess team. His father trains him while playing chess and he practices longer. His elder brother Roshan wants to learn how to play. So now these two boys are sitting together. They are playing chess. You can see very well. So here Dhruv is saying to his brother is asking, what are these white and black spots on the chess board? So he is replying, they are squares. Each chessboard has 32 black and 32 white squares. I hope you have seen chessboard. उसमें आप देखते हैं 64 squares. Out of 64, 32 black and 32 white. Right? So now here write the number of sides and vertices for each shape along with their names. Now here A part. This is what? This is a square. Okay. And how many sides? 4. And how many vertices? 4. Right. Now B part. This is which shape? This is rectangle. Okay. How many sides? 4 sides. And how many vertices? 4 vertices. Now the C part, this shape is a triangle. So its name is triangle. How many sides? It has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Now this D part, this is a circle. So here you can write circle. How many sides? No side, no vertices. Okay. So as you know, we have learned the basic concept of geometry like point, line segments, ray, types of lines, open and close figures, and how to measure or draw a line segment of any length in previous class. So now with the help of this chapter, we will learn how to draw or measure the line segment of fractional number length and many more. See how we can draw like a decimal like 3.8 centimeter long length or 4.5 centimeter long length. तो अब उसके बारे में हम इस चैप्टर में अच्छे से स्टडी करेंगे. See now here. Now pair of lines, parallel lines, the lines on a plane that never meet, no matter how far they are extended. These are called parallel lines. They are always the same distance apart and are represented with a pair of vertical lines like this between the names of the lines. Okay. See here like two lines MN and OP, they are parallel. So instead of writing in words, we can write like this, MN is parallel to OP. Okay, ऐसे AB and CD two lines हैं. If these are parallel, how we can write? Line AB parallel to line CD. We can see in the figure here MN line and here OP line. These are parallel. Parallel means when the distance between the lines same. आप जितना मर्जी extend कर लो lines को, they will never meet. So these are the parallel lines. Okay. आप यहाँ पे देखो AB and CD. These are also parallel. So we can see parallel lines in a zebra crossing, the lines in notebook and in railway tracks around us. आप देख सकते हैं ब्लैक बोर्ड है या वाइट बोर्ड है, उसके जो आमने सामने की अपोजिट जो साइड्स हैं, those are parallel and there are so many examples in our daily life. So here now intersecting lines. अब हम बात करते हैं intersecting lines की. The lines that cross each other. जब lines एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करें या कट करें किसी पॉइंट पर, those lines are said to be intersecting lines. The lines that cross each other at a point are called intersecting lines, like this. AB and CD, they are intersecting at point M. And what is M? M is called an intersecting point or point of intersection. Okay, so now factometer symbol, this two vertical lines, it is used to show is parallel to. जैसे we have done like this over here, I told you it means symbol of parallel lines, two vertical lines. So this fact is given over here. Now measuring line segments. So now line segments can be measured using a ruler or commonly called scale. One edge of a ruler is marked in centimeters and the other edge in inches. आपने स्केल देखा होगा, वन साइड पे सेंटीमीटर मेंशन होता है एंड वन साइड पे इंच. ओके, सो here you can see one line segment PQ. We are measuring it with the help of scale or ruler. So we measure line segments in centimeters and as shown above, each centimeter is divided into 10 equal small division. आप जब भी लाइन सेगमेंट मेजर करेंगे हम सेंटीमीटर में करेंगे और जो भी डिवीजन है लाइक 0 और 1 के बीच में 10 लाइंस हैं, 1 और 2 नंबर के बीच में 10 लाइंस हैं, राइट. सो ईच स्मॉल डिवीजन इज कॉल्ड अ मिलीमीटर mm. Thus 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So now let us take a line segment PQ and measure its length. अब हम लाइन सेगमेंट PQ ले रहे हैं और इसको मेजर करेंगे. कैसे करें? See, place the edge of the ruler along line segment PQ. हम रूलर की एक एज सेंटीमीटर वाली जो एज है उसको हम along PQ प्लेस करेंगे. Then keeping the 0 centimeter mark at P. और 0 सेंटीमीटर जो मार्किंग है उसको हम P पॉइंट पर प्लेस करेंगे, राइट. नाउ रीड द मार्क ऑन द रूलर एट द पॉइंट Q. अब आप देखेंगे कि Q पॉइंट तक रूलर कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है, कितने पॉइंट तक जा रहा है. सो दिस इज व्हाट Q इज विथ. Now what to do? Place the edge of the ruler along line segment PQ. हम जो रूलर है उसकी एज को प्लेस करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू PQ एंड देन कीपिंग द 0 सेंटीमीटर मार्क एट P. स्टार्टिंग इज P पॉइंट, तो 0 को हम प्लेस कर देंगे P पॉइंट के ऊपर. सो नाउ व्हाट टू डू? रीड द मार्क ऑन द रूलर एट द पॉइंट Q. सो सिंस Q coincides with 5.5, यानी Q जो है वो कहाँ तक है? दैट इज 5.5. सो व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ PQ? PQ इज 5.5 centimeter, right? So by this way we can measure any line segment. Okay, now one factometer. One and only one line can be drawn passing through two fixed points. If we have two fixed points, then only one line can pass through those 2 points. And an unlimited number of lines can pass through a single point. और अगर एक single point given है, then how many lines we can draw? We can draw infinite, unlimited lines. So very important points. So keep in mind these points. Now the next is drawing a line segment of given length. अब हमने क्या करना है? रूलर की हेल्प से एक लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करना है. See, to draw a line segment of any given length, say 3.8 centimeter, we follow these steps. Step 1. Place the ruler on the sheet or your notebook and hold it firmly. So हमें क्या करना है, रूलर को प्लेस करना है पेपर के ऊपर एंड उसको होल्ड करना है. Then step 2, mark a point at 0 with a finely sharp pencil and then mark a point at 3.8 centimeter. फिर हम क्या करेंगे, जहाँ पे 0 है वहाँ पे एक पॉइंट मार्क कर देंगे और जहाँ पर 3.8 है वहाँ पर एक पॉइंट मार्क कर देंगे. Now step 3, slide the pencil gently along the edge of the ruler from 0 to 3.8 centimeter without moving the ruler. अब रूलर की हेल्प से हम लाइन ड्रॉ कर देंगे. Now you can name it any segment like AB or whatever. If it is given PQ, so we can name it. So this is, name the line segment as AB, right? So AB, its length is 3.8 centimeter. Now exercise 10.1. See question number 1, filling the blanks. A part. Parallel lines are always the dash distance apart. Same distance, fixed distance. Okay. Now B part, a line has dash end point. A line has no end point. Okay. Now C part, a line segment has dash end points. Line segment has 2 end points. And the last one, the lines that cross each other at a point are called intersecting lines. Okay. I hope these are clear to you. Very easy. So intersecting lines. Now the second one, measure the following line segments using a ruler or scale and write their measurement. So कुछ line segments given हैं, इनको हम measure कर सकते हैं with the help of scale and then we can find out the measurement. Similarly, third question, using the ruler, draw line segments of the following lengths. कुछ line segments given हैं, अब इन्हें हमें draw करना है with the help of scale. Okay. Now the fourth question, identify each pair of lines as parallel or intersecting. So A part, so these lines are what? These lines are parallel. Okay. And B part, these lines are not parallel. These lines are intersecting. They are crossing each other. So these are intersecting lines. Okay. Now the next thing, open and closed figures. Open figures. Figures that start at one point and end at another point are called open figures. You can see over here, हमने कहीं और से start किया है और ending is here only. So this is a open figure like this, this, this. So these all are open figures. Now closed figures, figures that start and end at the same point are called closed figures. Okay. Look at the following closed figures. These are closed figures. जब हम starting और ending point same लेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या बन जाएगी, एक closed figure, right? So now the next is simple closed figures. Look at these figures. हमारे पास कुछ figures हैं like A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, right? So which of the figures given above could we draw by starting at same point, never lifting your pencil from the paper and end at the starting point? Means which are the closed figures. So obvious, all are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all are closed figures. Now out of these figures, which figures can we draw without having the figures crossed itself? अब आप देखेंगे कुछ फिगर्स आपस में क्रॉस कर रही हैं और कुछ फिगर्स क्रॉस नहीं कर रही हैं. लाइक this one is crossing itself, this one is crossing itself. See, this one is crossing itself. Okay, so here we can see A, B, D and H. See, A, B, D and H. These are closed and they are not crossing itself. So these are what? These are simple closed figures. Okay, these are simple closed figures, right? Now the next is polygons. अब हम बात करते हैं polygons की. Look at the figures below, right? So they are all closed figures, but there is a difference. What is it? आप देखो A part, this is a closed figure, B a closed figure, C closed figure, D also closed, E also closed and F this is also closed figure. But इन सब में एक difference है. क्या difference है? A, D, E and F are made up of straight lines only. कुछ figures हैं वो बस simple straight line से बनी हुई हैं. Like A, D, E and F. Okay, and the rest B and C, these are made up of curved lines, right? So figures made up of only line segments, जो figures सिर्फ simple straight line से बनती हैं, those are said to be polygon. Okay, so A, D, E and F are polygons. Okay, and polygons are named according to the number of their sides. जितनी उनकी sides होंगी उसके according polygon का name है. See now one factometer. A polygon is a plane closed figure having 3 or more sides. तो at least कम से कम 3 sides होती हैं और 3 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकती हैं. So see here. Now some examples of polygon are given below. Number of sides given है and figures of the polygon given है and name of the polygon. So if number of sides 3, it is a triangle. Okay. If number of sides 4 sides ली है, it becomes a quadrilateral. If number of sides 5, you can see 5 sides, it is a pentagon. If number of sides 6, you can see 6 sides, it is said to be hexagon. If number of sides 7, it is heptagon. And if number of sides 8, it is octagon, right? Now I hope these are clear to you. So now we are talking about angle. What is the meaning of angle? When two rays, lines or line segments meet at a point, an angle is formed. जब two rays या two line segments किसी एक point पे meet करते हैं तो वहाँ पे क्या बनता है? एक angle. In the given figure, two rays OX and OY meet at a point O and an angle is formed at their meeting point. जहाँ पे रेज मीट करती हैं उस मीटिंग पॉइंट पे एक एंगल बन जाएगा, राइट? एंड द पॉइंट वेयर दीज रेज मीट इज कॉल्ड द वर्टेक्स. उस मीटिंग पॉइंट को हम क्या बोलेंगे? वर्टेक्स. एंड द रेज फॉर्म द आर्म्स ऑफ द एंगल. और जो रेज हैं वो क्या बन जाएंगी? आर्म्स ऑफ द एंगल. ओके, नाउ एन एंगल इज डिनोटेड बाय द सिंबल दिस. An angle is given its name in 2 ways. किसी भी एंगल को हम 2 ways से नेमिंग कर सकते हैं. The first one, using a single capital letter at the vertex such as angle O. Like O पे एंगल है तो हम लिख सकते हैं एंगल O, right? Or the second way, using 3 capital letters with the vertex in the middle such as angle XOY or YOX. हम 3 लेटर्स यूज कर सकते हैं, लाइक जहाँ पे एंगल बनेगा जो वर्टेक्स है उसको हमेशा मिडिल में रखना है और बाकी के लेटर्स को आप लेफ्ट राइट रख सकते हैं. सो XOY और YOX. Okay, so these are the 2 ways. I hope this is clear to you. Now interior and exterior of an angle. अब किसी एंगल के इंटीरियर की और एक्सटीरियर की बात करते हैं. The inside of an angle, that is the region between the rays, is called the interior of the angle. The points of the plane that do not lie on the arms or in the interior of the angle lie to exterior of the angle. See here this angle, जो अंदर का पार्ट है that is interior और जो बाहर होगा that is exterior. Okay, so we can see A, B and C points are lying in the interior of the angle PQR. ऐसे ही D and E points are lying in the exterior of the angle PQR. तो आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं interior points as well as exterior points. Okay. Now exercise 10.2. So look at the first question. Identify the following as closed or open figures. तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है क्लोज्ड फिगर कौन सी है, ओपन फिगर्स कौन सी है. सो लेट्स सी, लाइक सी पार्ट दिस इज क्लोज्ड, डी पार्ट दिस इज ओपन. सो लाइक दिस यू कैन ट्राई. नाउ द सेकेंड वन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर पॉलीगन्स. तो पॉलीगन्स कौन कौन से हैं आप बता सकते हैं, A and B. So these are polygons. Now the third one, filling the blanks. A part, figures that start and end at the same point are called closed figures. Okay. Now B part, a point where 2 rays meet is called a vertex. Now C part, a polygon formed by 6 line segments is called a hexagon. Fine. Now G part, a pentagon has 5 sides and 5 vertices. ऐसे E part, a heptagon has how many sides? 7 sides and 7 vertices. Okay. So I hope these are clear to you. Now question number 4th and 5th you can try on your own. Now circle. We have already learned about this circle. It is a shape made up of a curved line. Circle is a curved shape with all its points lying at the same distance from a fixed point that is said to be center. So circle is a curved shape जिसके जो पॉइंट्स हैं वो एक फिक्स पॉइंट से ऑलवेज एट अ सेम डिस्टेंस, और उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, सेंटर. Now parts of the circle. Now we are talking about parts of the circle. Center, the point at which we had kept the metal arm of the compass fixed, can be marked as O. जहाँ पे हम कंपास का जो मेटल आर्म है उसको फिक्स करते हैं जिस पॉइंट पर, that point is the center. So here the point O is the center of the circle, right? Now the next is radius. If we join any point on the circle to the center of the circle, we get a line segment. अगर हम सर्कल का कोई पॉइंट लेते हैं और उसको सेंटर से ज्वाइन करते हैं, जो लाइन सेगमेंट हमारे पास आएगा that is the radius. Okay, here you can see like OP is radius, OM is radius and OR is radius. So OP, OM and OR are the radii of the circle. Radii means plural form of radius, right? Now if we measure OP, OM and OR, then we will find that they will have the same length. इन सब की जो लेंथ है क्या होती है, सेम. ओके, सो दीज आर द लेंथ्स ऑफ द रेडियाई ऑफ सर्कल विथ सेंटर O. Okay, so now the next is chord. What's the meaning of chord? Chord means if any 2 points on a circle are joined, we get a line segment. अगर हम सर्कल के कोई भी 2 पॉइंट्स लें और उसको ज्वाइन कर दें, we will get a line segment. Like A and B are 2 points, we are joining A and B, so we are getting a line segment AB. ऐसे COD पॉइंट्स हैं, इनको ज्वाइन किया, we are getting line segment CD. So these are what? These are the chords of the circle, right? So a circle has many chords. Chords can have different lengths. तो chords की जो लेंथ है वो डिफरेंट हो सकती हैं और एक सर्कल में we have so many chords. Okay, so now the next is diameter. What is the diameter? A chord of a circle which passes through its center is called a diameter. अगर कोई कोड यानी कोई 2 पॉइंट्स को हम ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं और वो लाइन सेगमेंट सेंटर से पास करता है, इट मीन्स दैट बिकम्स अ diameter, right? Here you can see MN and PQ. These are the diameters of the circle, and you can see OP is radius, OQ is also radius. So PQ is what? PQ is R plus R, double of radius. So diameter is what? Diameter is double of radius. Okay. So here absorbing facts. Every diameter is a chord, but every chord is not a diameter. Diameter तो chord है, but every chord is not a diameter. The second one, the diameter is the longest chord in any circle. किसी भी circle की सबसे longest chord क्या होगी? That would be diameter. And the third one, a circle has many radii, chords and diameters, but it has only one center. Center सिर्फ एक ही होगा. Okay. Now factometer, a circle has many diameters. All diameters have the same length. Length उनकी same होगी. So length of MN equals to length of PQ. आप कोई भी diameters लेंगे, उनकी length क्या होगी? हमेशा equal. Okay. Now the next is circumference. What is circumference? The length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. जब हम सर्कल की बाउंड्री के बारे में बात करेंगे, वो क्या बन जाएगी? That is the circumference. We cannot measure the circumference of a circle with ruler, though it is the length of the boundary of a circle. हालांकि ये लेंथ ऑफ बाउंड्री है, लेकिन हम इसको स्केल की हेल्प से मेजर नहीं कर सकते. राइट. नाउ ड्रॉइंग अ सर्कल ऑफ गिवन रेडियस. अब हमें एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है जिसका रेडियस वी नो. सो हाउ टू डू इट? टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस से 4 सेंटीमीटर. सपोज हमें रेडियस लेना है 4 सेंटीमीटर और एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. देन विच स्टेप्स वी हैव टू फॉलो? सी, स्टेप 1, open the legs of the compass to 4 centimeter using ruler as shown here. हमने क्या करना है? compass लेना है, pencil and scale. Then what to do? With the help of scale हम compass को open करेंगे. How much? 4 centimeter. Right? Now step 2. Mark any point O on the plane of the paper and place the tip of स्टील एंड एट इट. हमने क्या करना है? एक पॉइंट मार्क करना है जिसको हम O नेमिंग कर देंगे और वहां पर हमें कंपास की जो मेटल टिप है उसको प्लेस करना है. राइट. नाउ स्टेप 3, होल्ड द हेड ऑफ द कंपास स्टेडली एंड रोटेट इट सच दैट द पेंसिल एंड टचेस द पेपर. अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसको रोटेट कर देंगे. पेंसिल और कंपास को रोटेट करेंगे और अच्छे से हमें कंपास को होल्ड करना है. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग अ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 4 centimeter. I hope this is clear to you. Now one factometer, you can see one circle over here and here PQ and RS. RS is passing through center of the circle and PQ is what? PQ is a chord? Yes. RS is a chord? Yes. PQ is diameter? No, because PQ is not passing through the center. PQ is not the diameter but RS is the diameter, so yes, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now relation between radius and diameter. So now we are talking about radius और diameter के बीच में क्या relation है. अभी आपको मैंने explain भी किया था. So let's see once again. We can see that AB is the diameter of the circle with center O. हमने क्या किया, एक सर्कल लिया, center O and AB is diameter. AB is what? AB is AO plus OB. And AO and OB, these are what? These are the radii of the circle. Okay. So what we can write? We can write AB equals to radius plus रेडियस. सो ए बी क्या बन जाएगा हमारा, डबल ऑफ रेडियस. सो डायमीटर इज ट्वाइस ऑफ द रेडियस, यानी 2 into r, 2 into रेडियस. ओके, सो हम क्या कह सकते हैं, डायमीटर इज डबल ऑफ रेडियस, और वी कैन से रेडियस इज हाफ ऑफ द डायमीटर. राइट? आई होप this is clear to you. Now let us attempt example 1. The radius of a circle is 3 centimeter. Find its diameter. We know radius. Can we find diameter? Yes, because we know diameter is double of radius. So 2 into 3 means 6 centimeter. Okay. Now example 2. The diameter of a circle is 10 centimeter. Find the radius. अब हमें diameter given है, रेडियस फाइंड करना है. रेडियस इज हाफ ऑफ डायमीटर, मीन्स हाफ ऑफ 10 मीन्स 5 centimeter. Right? Now one challenge. I am a part of a line but not its whole. 2 endpoints define my role. Straight and stand true in geometry. What am I? I am a line segment. Okay? 2 points fixed, part of a line. I am a line segment. Now exercise 10.3 based on such type of example. See question number 1, filling the blanks. Like A part, every point on a circle is at the same distance from the center. Right? Okay. B part, diameter is dash chord of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord. Right? C part, the length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. Okay? Fine. Now next D part, diameter of circle equals to dash into radius, double of radius. Now the last one, E part, a circle has only dash center, only one center. Okay. Now question number 2, in the figures given below name the following. हमारे पास कुछ figures है और हमें क्या करना है, find out करना है. Like here A part, one figure is given, you can see center O. So we can see it very carefully. The first point, the center. What is the center? Center is O. Okay. Now second part, a radius. अब इस सर्कल में कौन कौन से रेडियस है? You can find out OP, OQ and OR. Okay. Now the next third part, a chord. Which chord? Chord is MN. PQ is also a chord, right? And diameter, what is diameter? Diameter is PQ. तो ऐसे ही आप बी पार्ट भी कर लेंगे, राइट। नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, इन द फिगर्स गिवन बिलो ड्रॉ द फॉलोइंग। हमारे पास क्या है, एक फिगर्स, एक सर्कल गिवन है और हमें लाइक ए पार्ट में हमें क्या करना है, सेंटर ए गिवन है, रेडियस ए एक्स है, तो हमें ड्रॉ करना है। सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, हम कहीं पर भी एक्स ले लेंगे, ओके, दिस इज ए एक्स, रेडियस ए एक्स। नाउ कोड पी क्यू, हम कहीं पर भी पी और क्यू पॉइंट ले लेंगे, ज्वाइन कर देंगे उन्हें, दिस इज कोड पी क्यू। diameter mn, diameter mn means it should pass through the center, तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक लाइन ले लेंगे जो सेंटर से पास करेगी और उसको नेमिंग कर देंगे mn, it should be straight, okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So now the fourth one, the radii of circles are given, find the corresponding diameter, हमें क्या given है, radius given है, हमें diameter find करना है, like C part 25 centimeter, radius is 25 centimeter, so what is diameter, 2 into 25, that is 50 centimeter, okay. So now the fifth question, the diameters of circles are given, find the corresponding radius. So हमें क्या given है, diameter given है, radius find करना है, like C part 18 centimeter, so diameter is 18 centimeter, so what is radius, half of 18 means 9 centimeter, okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Now the next is sixth question, for each of the following figures name the diameter and two radii. So here A part, like one circle given with center O and A and B points given on the circle. So diameter, what is diameter? Diameter is AB. What is radius? OA and second radius OB, okay. ऐसे B part है, circle है with center P, M and N points on the circle. So what is diameter? Diameter is Mn, radius is Pm and the second is Pn, okay. So ऐसे ही आप कर सकते हैं, like seventh question, the diameter of a wheel is 100 centimeter, find the radius. तो radius क्या हो जाएगा, half of 100 means 50 centimeter. So is it more than the diameter? No. Always radius is smaller than the diameter. Okay. So now the next we are talking about solid shapes. Solids can be of various shapes. The outside of a solid is called its surface. The surface may be plain or curved. A solid object is defined by number of faces, edges and vertices it has. किसी भी solid shape में हम उसके faces की बात करेंगे, edges की बात करेंगे and vertices की बात करेंगे. So the first point, a face is a flat side of a solid. Solid की जो flat side है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, face, right? The second point, an edge is where two faces of a solid meet. जहाँ पर two faces meet करेंगे वो क्या बन जाएगी, एक edge, right? The third point is a vertex is a point where three or more edges meet. जहाँ पर जिस point पर three or more than three edges meet करेंगी, that is the vertex. So some solid shapes are described here. We can see some solid shape. The first one, cube. A cube has 6 flat faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. All the 6 faces of a cube are squares. You can see this figure. आपने देखा होगा मैच बॉक्स, आप उसके faces count करो. It has 6 faces. And how many edges? It has 12 edges. And how many vertices, corners? It has 8 vertices. और जितने भी face होंगे, that is what? That is a square shape. Okay, that is a square shape, right? Now the next is cuboid. A cuboid has 6 flat faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices, and all the 6 faces of cuboid are rectangles. Cuboid जो है उसमें like this. You can see all the faces are rectangle shape, right? And it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. You can see your room. रूम में क्या है, आपके पास 4 walls हैं, 1 roof and 1 floor. So total faces 6 faces, okay? And all the faces are rectangle, right? And how many edges? Edges 12. And how many corners? आप count कर सकते हैं corners. How many corners? 8, right? So this is cuboid, okay? Now cone, आपने देखा होगा cone, आइसक्रीम cone और birthday cap like this. A cone has 1 flat face, 1 curved face and 1 curved edge and 1 vertex. जो base है that is flat face, okay? This is the curved edge, this is the curved face and this is the vertex, okay? Now there is one challenge for you. I am a line that starts at a point, but I go on forever. No end to join. What am I? Can you say? So you know that is a ray, because a ray has one starting point but no ending point. So in geometry I am called a ray, right? Now the next is cylinder. अब हम बात करते हैं सिलेंडर की. सिलेंडर इज दिस शेप. You have seen, okay, this is the cylinder. So a cylinder has 2 flat faces, base and top. It has 2 flat faces, 1 curved and 2 curved edges. These are 2 curved edges, right? Now the next is sphere. A sphere has only 1 curved face. It has no edges, no vertices. You have seen ball, you have seen globe. So it has no edge, no vertex, only 1 curved face, right? So very interesting. Now we are talking about nets. What do you mean by net? A net is a 2-dimensional figure that can be folded into a 3-dimensional object. जैसे कोई आप पेपर लेंगे, पेपर को आप फोल्ड करेंगे, उसको आप कोई शेप देंगे, बट जो पेपर है दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज 2 डायमेंशन. बट जब उसे हम फोल्ड करेंगे वी विल गेट 3 डायमेंशंस, राइट? सो नेट ऑफ अ क्यूब. टेक अ क्यूबिकल ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ट्रेस ऑल इट्स फेसेस ऑन अ शीट ऑफ पेपर. आप कोई भी बॉक्स ले लो, लाइक पेस्ट्री बॉक्स या कोई भी बॉक्स लो, आप उसको ओपन करो. सो व्हाट विल यू गेट? यू विल गेट 2 dimensions, okay? So what is the shape of all the 6 faces? Like हमने कोई cube box लिया है, उसे open किया, we can see all 6 faces. What shape? These all are square of the same size. So thus we see that a cube can be made from 6 squares joined together in a particular manner. तो हमने क्या किया है, 6 squares को जब join किया, we are getting a cube. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. इनको हम fold कर रहे हैं, then we are getting a cube. So this is what? This is the net of the cube, right? So we have many more nets or arrangements of these squares that can be folded up to form a cube. हम ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं 4 and these 2 6. ऐसे भी arrange कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी like this or like this, okay? Now we can also form nets with 5 square faces. In this case it will be a box with no lid. अगर हमें lid नहीं चाहिए तो हम 5 square faces ले सकते हैं और उससे हम एक box बना सकते हैं like this, okay? So I hope this is clear to you. Now the next exercise 10.4 based on these solid shapes. So let's see question number 1. Write the name, number of faces, edges and vertices for each of the following shapes. A part. आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज विच शेप, दिस इज व्हाट इज द नेम, नेम इज क्यूब. ओके, हाउ मेनी फेसेस, इट हैज 6 faces. How many edges? 12 edges and 8 vertices. ऐसे B part है. This is which shape? This is cuboid. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Okay, ऐसे you can do C and D part, right? Now, see second question. Which of the following can be the net of a cube? Tick the correct nets. अब आप देख सकते हैं इसमें कौन सा नेट पॉसिबल है किसी क्यूब को बनाने के लिए. तो यू कैन ट्राई these one and find out. Now this is the assessment time, competency based question, A part, multiple choice question, take the correct option. The first one, which solid shape has 12 edges? So a cube has 12 edges. Answer is cube, right? The second one, an octagon has dash sides. An octagon has how many sides? An octagon has 8 sides, right? The third one, a dash has 2 endpoints, line segment, line or ray. A line segment has 2 endpoints, okay? The fourth one, which solid shape has 6 flat faces? Sphere, cuboid or cone? So answer is cuboid. The fifth one, a pentagon has dash sides. A pentagon has 5 sides, right? The sixth one, if a circle has diameter 8 centimeter, then its radius will be what? Its radius will be 4 centimeter. Now come to B part, filling the blanks. The first one, dash is the longest chord. You know, diameter is the longest chord of the circle. The second one, radius is dash times the diameter. Radius is half times the diameter. Third one, a rectangle has dash pairs of adjacent sides. A rectangle has 4 pairs of adjacent sides. The fourth one, a net of a cube has dash squares. How many? 6. Okay, a net of a cube has 6 squares, right? C part, write whether the following statements are true or false. The first one, a triangle is a polygon. Yes, a triangle is a polygon. This is true. The second one, the chord of a circle cannot be shorter than the radius of a circle. No, it can be shorter than the radius. So this is false. The third one, a line segment has a fixed length. Yes, this is true. The fourth, a hexagon has 6 sides. Yes, this is true. The fifth, a circle is a polygon. No, this is not a polygon, right? Now the sixth, a pentagon has 4 vertices. False. A pentagon has 5 sides, 5 vertices. The seventh, a circle has no vertex. So this is also true. It has no corner. The eighth, a circle has only 1 diameter. This is false, right? A circle has infinite diameters. So now the next is skill-based question, D part, case study. A circle is a closed figure, each of whose points are at the same distance from the fixed point inside it. This fixed point is called the center of the circle. You know very well. Answer these questions on the basis of the above data. You can see one circle with center O, and there are some diameters, chords. So let's see. The first one, center of the circle is O. Okay. The second, how many diameters are there? So 1 PS, TQ, 1, 2, this UR, right? So how many? We have 3. Third one, how many radius in the above circle are? Count the radius. OP, OQ, OR, OS, OT, OU. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many? 6. The fourth, how many chords are there? Chords, you know, this PQ is the chord. 1. Okay. And diameter is also the chord. So PS is the chord. TQ is the chord. And RU is the chord. And TU also a chord. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many chords? 5, right? The fifth one, relation between diameter and radius R of the circle. You know, diameter is double of radius, 2 into R. Now we are coming to word stop. Diameter, radius, center, circumference, chord, compass, interior, exterior, scale, intersect, parallel and circle. Now one activity is for you, activity based on geometry. Objective, to find out the geometry terms with the help of their properties. C. Intent or aim, to explain the concept through the fun activity. See, I am a line that starts at a point, but I go on forever. No end to join. What am I? Can you say? In geometry, I am called a ray. I have only one starting point but no end point. So that is a ray, right? So the next is, I am a part of a line but not its whole. 2 endpoints define my role. You know very well 2 endpoints किसमें होते हैं? So straight and stand true. In geometry, what am I? So I am line segment, part of line. Okay. So I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.